Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of interior design with a spotlight on the best of the best. The Chris Loves Julia x Loloi Francis Collection Rug. Let's start with the basics. The Chris Loves Julia x Loloi Francis Collection FRA-03 Silver Sky Rug isn't just any ordinary rug. It's a statement piece that combines classic elegance with modern flair. Crafted with precision and care, this rug is hand-tufted in India using 100% wool pile. That means it's not only luxurious to the touch but also ethically produced, with good weave certification ensuring support for artisan communities. But what sets this rug apart from the rest? It's all in the details. Inspired by traditional tilework and parquet flooring, the Francis collection boasts a stunning geometric pattern that adds depth and dimension to any room. Whether you're revamping your living room, bedroom, or dining area, this rug is a perfect fit. Its medium-height woven pile and quality construction make it both durable and stylish. And let's not forget the brains behind the beauty. Chris Loves Julia, the influential home renovation blog by Julia and Chris Markham, brings their signature classic spirit with a creative twist to this collaboration. Partnered with Loloi, a family-owned business known for its innovative designs, this rug is a testament to quality craftsmanship and thoughtful design. Available in multiple sizes and colors, including silver, sky, beige, charcoal, and cream, black, there's a Francis rug to suit every style and space. Plus, with a range of sizes from 2 feet x 3 to 11 feet 6 by 15, you can find the perfect fit for your home. So if you're ready to elevate your space with a touch of luxury and sophistication, look no further than the Chris Loves Julia x Loloi Francis Collection Rug. It's more than just a rug, it's a statement piece that's sure to turn heads and spark conversation. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and design tips. Until next time, happy decorating!